Okay guys, so today we're going to be discussing the Barbell Preacher Curl, one of the best ways to grow your biceps. First things first, what we want to know about the bicep is that it goes over two joints. It is what we call biarticular, I think. Well, I can never say that right word. Anyway, point is, your bicep inserts here and originates up over your shoulder joint. So it comes up and under your shoulder, up onto your clavicle. Why is that important? Well, our full range of motion for our bicep is actually to come slightly forward and also slightly back. So with the Preacher Curl, we're going to over exaggerate that slightly forward movement and we're going to put it in a disadvantaged position. What we want to do first, the first point of call with any bicep or tricep exercise is actually to stabilize the scapula, and that comes through our lats. So most people, when they come and do this, they set themselves up in this position, and you can see that my lats are at full extension and they're not actually contracted. And when we do contract them, then it puts our elbows right at the top here. So the way we fix that is by actually putting our feet, or we can put our feet behind ourselves. Notice how straight my back is now. I can pull it back and down. Wedging my elbows in, this is the position that I want to be. My shoulder blades are pulling back and down and my arms are slightly forward. Remember, we know that the biceps actually help a little bit in shoulder flexion. So I'm slightly flexing the shoulder from this position to here, is slight flexion of the shoulder. So from here, we want to make sure we have nice straight levers. We don't want to be grabbing the bar out wide. We want to be what we call a nice straight line of pull, straight up and down. Here we grab a hold of the bar, shoulder blades back and down, and we're going to curl up, control the negative, 1, 2, 3, and pop again, 1, 2, 3, pop again, 1, 2, 3. Now there are a few little tricks you can do here, and you can actually create more tension through your arms by pulling the bar apart, as if this bar is connected in the middle, and we want to pull that bar apart. So again, when we set this up, we want our elbows in slight flexion and our shoulder blades stabilize, our lats stabilizing our shoulder blades by pulling them down. We want a nice straight line of pull, and then from here, have a hold, pull that bar apart. When we get, these are things to be aware of, when we get tired, we will roll in. So our elbows start to roll in, and we look for any mechanical advantage we can get. So we're going to go from this straight line of pull up and down, curling up and down, to slightly rolling out, and before you know it, we're curling like so. As soon as we hit that point, that's it, it's all over, Red Rover, pull the pin. Because that's when we can start to get ourselves some tennis and golfer's elbow from the outside or the inside of the sprain of the joint. So again, straight line of pull, pulling up, and you can slightly take these pinkies out towards the shoulder, outside of the shoulders. So from here, pinky, out to the shoulder blades, or out to the outsides of the shoulders. That will also occur when you start to pull the bar apart. So for the third time, and the last time, we want to be in slight shoulder flexion, pulling the shoulder blades back and down with our lats. Keep those lats on. You can even close your eyes and think purely on your lats, because your biceps are going to do the work anyway. So again, shoulder blades back and down, hands nice and straight, arms in a nice straight line of pull, up and down. If you can't get into this position because you haven't got the flexibility, a single arm dumbbell curl or something else will be just as effective in growing your biceps. So again, shoulder blades back and down, nice straight line of pull, pull the bar apart with your pinkies out towards the outsides of your shoulders, and that there is how you want to execute your Barbell Preacher Curl.